Today we're making string tinsel. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are doing a fun project, and we're doing a reusable project, and I got a request for it. This is the simplest thing I have probably ever done when it came to decorating, but it did take some time. What is it? It's the string tinsel from my tree. Normally you can get, the tinsel that you get, you've seen it everywhere, those silver strands, they even come in colors now, but they're plastic, they usually don't last very long, and so it can be a problem. I decided I wanted something different, and so I thought, what could I use? And of course string came to mind. My first thought was, well, just cut the strands of string, place it on the tree, and everything will be great. So I did that, cut them, placed them on the tree, and it looked like I put strands of string on a tree. It wasn't very attractive, and I kept wondering, well, what's wrong with it? Then I figured it out. It was simple. It was the knot at the end. The knot at the end makes it look like it is a finished product. I liked that. I liked that a lot. The knot is really simple, and you're wondering, well,
how long should I cut the strands?
I cut mine varying lengths. The easiest thing that I found to do was to take the string, wrap it around a book. I wrapped it many times, and then just cut the strands. After they were cut, I knotted the strands, and then I could place them on my tree and have a decorative string tinsel, and it looks finished. That's the best part. Now I use those everywhere. If you've seen in my Christmas tour, they're on wreaths, they're on garland, and they really look nice. I enjoy it. It's a natural thing. Now you're saying,
well, how can you reuse those?
Really? Really? Is that what you're saying? The easiest thing to do is to just put them in a package and then reuse them. If you're worried about them getting dirty, you can hand wash them, lay them flat, and let them dry. String tinsel is one of those easy things. Now the cool part about this is you could do this in different colors and whatever you want it to. I just went with natural twisted twine. It got it at the lumber store actually, and it was so simple to do and so quick. Well, let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and also let me know what ideas that you have for the holidays, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.